Are you guys ready to open it? Yeah? Open it then, tear into it. Rip it.
We're going to see the fun time.
Today is Connor and Zoe's birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, guys. Connor's got a Spiderman cake. Zoe's got a Princess Cinderella cake with pumpkins all the way around. Pretty. And then they also got a bunch of presents, but look at this. A surprise Spiderman egg. Wow, sweet. And Zoe's got a princess surprise egg. That is super cool too. And then they got lots and lots of presents. Yep. And then there's more presents over there too. Got the big old Spider-Man happy birthday back there. And Zoe's got the princess happy birthday over here. And look at, they got streamers and everything. One side for Connor, one side for Zoe. Everybody ready to sing? Yeah. You guys. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connor and Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Throw it, boy. Oh, try really hard. Good job. Kitty, yeah! Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, good job. He's got all the cousins and brothers and sisters. They both got it. Here's everybody in here. Alright, present time now. You guys ready? Okay, open them. Open up the presents. Whoa. What do they have? Uh-oh.
Hurry!
Yeah.
Oh, Connor's gonna beat you. Hurry, Zozo, hurry!
What you got?
Hurry! Oh,
It's a
Ketchup. A condiment station. That is kind of funny. Connor, who do you got?
Oh, okay.
Connor, who do you have, Connor?
Iron Spiderman.
Iron Spider? Whoa, that guy is cool. Look at, she's got a condiment station there. That's kind of funny.
Oh no, it's
All right.
a fake one.
Next present.
Come on, guys.
Next present.
Good one, President. Come on.
Wow, holy smokes, cutie. That's a huge one. Connor, what's that? Blind bag, huh? Yeah. Pretty awesome, man.
Rip. Come on, Connor, hurry. Connor.
Use the muscle, cutie.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, the bad part.
Thank you. What is this, Zozo?
My Little Pony.
Wow. Yeah. What'd you get, cutie? What is that? Show Daddy. Wow. Play-Doh, My Little Pony. Nice. Uh-oh. The Bat Kid's got something. A Batman.
Oh, Batman.
Wow.
And a hack vehicle.
That is sweet. Wow. Connor, cool, huh? Yeah.
Another one. Hurry, open another one. Hurry.
Grab another one. Grab another present. Yeah. Rip them up, guys. Rip them up. Whoa. Whoa. That's a big present there, cutie. That's a big present there.
What is that?
Whoa. That's a Cinderella carriage, cutie.
Yeah, Woody from Toy Story.
Buzz Lightyear.
Connor, you got Buzz Lightyear, man. Turn him around so I can see. To infinity and beyond. Yeah. Sweet. Good job, cutie.
Hey, come on, another one, Zozo. Hurry.
Whoa, nice, Connor. Some summer clothes there. Yeah. Nice.
Come on, Zozo. Go, rip
You
it.
can put it back into the thing there. Yeah.
Brand name.
Good job.
Go,
Uh-oh.
Oh my God!
Hello, kitty, cutie. Hello, Kitty.
Yes, rip it. Whoa, come on, rip it.
Connor's got another one. He's working on another one already. Cutie, what did you get? Wow, Hello Kitty remote control car. Sweet. Look at that. Pogo jumper. Connor, pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. Wow, Connor. Sweet Captain American shield, huh? Yeah. Sweet, man. Captain America. Put it to the side. Put it to the side for now. Yep. Grab another one. You got another present somewhere?
Ooh, what is it?
A little help for that kid. He don't have any muscles. Wow, Kitty. Some summer clothes, huh? Wow. Nice.
Big box is Thomas. I think it's Thomas. Yes, it is Thomas.
Ooh, Connor.
Ooh.
Wow. Some princess crowns. Look at those. Pretty. Pretty. Yeah, Connor, look at that guy. What do you got? Thomas Fossil running set? Oh, nice.
Wow. Let's go play with it, Connor.
Uh-oh. Cutie's working on a big one here. Cutie's working on a big one. Uh-oh. Cutie's already working on a big one already. Whoa. Connor's got a super huge one too.
This is better than Christmas.
Wow. Yeah. Whoa, Cutie. Oh, wow. Look at that. A 3 feet tall castle. A 3 feet tall castle
Thank you.
for princesses.
Ooh.
What did Connor get? A 4 foot tall Batman cave?
Oh, really? Wow.
Turn it around. Let's check it out. Turn it around. Whoa, that is the Batman cave. The ultimate Bat cave. Yeah. Sweet. Uh-oh, here comes a bag of rice.
No, it's first lady.
Wow. Color spin out. Nice. Whoa. Look at that, huh? Wow. Sweet, man. It's an animation studio. Whoa, the eggs. It's an egg surprise. Let's wonder what's inside. Connor, you got the Spiderman, Cutie girl. You got the princess. Are you guys ready to open it? Yeah? Open it then. Tear into it. Rip it. Connor, use a muscle. Rip it. What's inside? What's inside? Whoa. Whoa, look at that. What did you get, Connor? Whoa, look at that. The Spiderman Lego. Blind bag. James. And Spiderman web. Oh, man. Nice, Connor. Open it, Cutie. Open it. Use your muscles. Yeah. What's in there? What do you have in that? Secret egg. Special surprise egg.
Yeah.
Whoa. What is that? What Lego is that? Princess Lego. Nice. Oh, and blind bag too, huh? And then you got a sticker shopkin sticker pack. Sweet. That's pretty cool, huh? All right. Oh, you got, who is that? Rosie? Yeah. Nice. All right. Time to the piñata, Cutie girl and Connor boy. They get to go first, okay? All right, go ahead, guys. Pull. Whoa, Connor. Okay, next person. Next person.
Go, Mel, you're up.
Your turn. All right. Grab one. All right. Good job. Okay, Babu turn. Okay. Oh, good job.
Nothing.
Cutie go.
Nothing. Paul Connor? Aren't you gonna pull?
Connor, your turn again. Connor, your turn again. Cutie, go.
Take the black one, guys.
Oh,
Take the
almost
black
got it.
one. Take the black one. Oh, take the black one.
Yeah, I got the Spider-Man and the
close.
princess.
Black one.
Spider-Man and the princess. Cutie girl, you can go, baby. Connor got it. Connor, the birthday boy got it. The birthday boy got it. There you go. Shake it, boy. Shake it. Oh, shake it. Grab it, boy. Yeah. Shake it, shake it. Yeah. Oh, cutie girl got hers down too. Look at all those candies. Look at all those candies. The kids are all at it, going at it. The kids are going at it. Hit somebody in the head. Look at all the kids go crazy after the candy. Wow, good job. Wow, good job. Good job. Good job, good job. Look at this. Awesome, awesome. Holy smokes, look at cutie girl's pile. She got a lot. Connor, he's stepping on Spider-Man. Oh no, look at Connor. He's beating Spider-Man up. Hey, that's your friend, boy. That's your friend. Woohoo!